What is good, everybody? Welcome along to another 10-minute drop challenge. I haven't done one of these in ages, mainly because I feel like I've done most of the EDM subgenres that I can make. I had an idea for this one, which is really weird, but you know what? Give it a shot and see what happens. So this idea for the video, I've essentially got 10 seconds to create or come up with all the sounds I'm going to use for the 10-minute drop. It can't be anything else. I have to use the sounds that I came up with in those 10 seconds. This might be weird, but it might be really sick. Alright, first bit of the video that is recording. I'll try to get it on the 13. Now, fuck. Oh, and most of them clipped. That was not fantastic. I definitely panicked. Now, fuck. Alright, definitely great audio to start with. I've clipped most of them. Alright, what an absolute shambles. Command J, consolidate that into a sample. That is so clipped. Another sample. Alright, the samples have been shortened and consolidated, so I can theoretically delete that and go into our project, processed, and here's the samples. Fuck. Alright, time to do this. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1, start.
A few moments later.
It turned out like ass. Nah. Restart the timer. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1, start. Alright, this is gonna be way better. Similar kick situation. The kick sounded decent. I'm really regretting not trimming those samples a bit better. Nice. Alright, how do we want this kick pen? Okie dokie, maybe a low pass? Just a little bit. Anyway, moving on. Kick sounds decent. Don't even remember what that was. But it's got some potential. No low end. Could be the start of a clap or something like that. Yeah. Remember, it used too much distortion and compression on the sample. It brought up the time running out song sound in the background. It just didn't quite sound good. Alright, this is the point where it could be considered borderline cheating, but we work with the tools what we got. Ableton wavetable. The thumb piano's low bass was not clean enough, so I'm going to try use it as a waveform to... Oh, it's not clean either. Shit. I'll make this super loud. Maybe? Why is it so hard to get clean bass around here? That's the lowest note it can go. Nice. That sounds alright. Okay, need to resample that real quick. Resample. Man, why is the bass so jittery? Can we pitch it down even? Oh, why did I resample everything? Shit. Okay, this could possibly work. There, and rinse and repeat. Yup, okay. Man, why is the bass so hard? No warp. Okay. Reverb. Some percussion ting. Ah! Do. That actually sounds sick. And then something. Fuck. I don't know what is happening anymore. Just if I have ideas, I'm just doing them. Do. Bloop. Maybe we use like a kalimba kind of thing with a frequency shifter. Where's the frequency shifter? There it is. This could be the start of something. What do I want to sidechain it from? I kind of want a metallic sound. It needs more freaking grit or something to it. Maybe just warp the shit out of this. If we drench it in effects, I wonder if we can make like a siren thing in the background. Okay, get the right pitch. This needs just something to it just to... What will completely fuck this up? Okay, that's getting there. What the fuck? I wish that 808 was just longer and good. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Beat drum bass. Is this cheating? I didn't even know what key it's in. It's the most experimental trap I've ever made. I don't even know what it is anymore. That actually sounds better. How about, oh my god, why does it sound better now? That could honestly be the start of something, like put more time and effort into it and it could turn into something like really weird but really sick. Layer it up with more kind of actual samples. Like, that sounds way better. How does that sound so much better? I know it defeats the point of the challenge, but if you could just use like a few real samples. It sounds way better. It sounds like a demo you put forward and then you go into the actual studio and they layer it up with like way better sounds and just... It makes it so much better. Anyway, that was a fun challenge. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. And honestly, if you guys are ever stuck with like inspirational creative block, try a random challenge like this just to think outside the box and do things differently to kind of like break the creative block and see what happens. See where it takes you. See if you can come up with something different. It could be the start of your next tune if it goes well, or you could scrap it like the first demo of this video. Anyway, hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Leave a like if you did, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Peace!